Folks, monsoon is here in India. Happy times. It's green and beautiful everywhere. And this is the time for great birding too. This is the best time to look for some great species. You may add up to 250 species or more. You will travel from Delhi to Rajasthan for Lesser Florican, Indian Pitta, Bristled Grassbird, Sarus Crane, Black-breasted Weaver, White-naped Tit, Marshall's Iora, White-bellied Minivet, Rockbush Quail, and many other breeding birds. We won't forego seeing the species of the Himalayan Foothills. We will visit Corbett Tiger Reserve and Pangot as well. And we may be able to see a tiger, Asian elephant, Asian leopard, and a lot more. Plan your August and September holidays to be with us in India. We can always add some cultural sites to your tour to make it wonderful. Have a look at the trip report by Johnny On in the links below. You will enjoy reading it. I am Mohit Aggarwal, an experiential ecotourism specialist, the founder of Asian Adventures, which is the largest birdwatching tour company in India. I'm also the creator of NattyNetter, an email marketing company. I hope you enjoyed this video. Namaste. Thank you.